How to find DCU share or loan number. To find your DCU share or loan number, follow these steps. Log into your DCU online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Account Summary section. Look for your share or loan account among the listed accounts. Click on the specific share or loan account for which you need the account number. The share or loan number is typically displayed alongside your account details. If you cannot locate the number online, consider checking your account statements. You can also check any physical documents related to your share or loan account. If you are unable to find the number through online banking or statements, contact DCU's customer service. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.